Alright, here we go. Spirithalloween, Willowbrook, Texas. This is pretty cool. I'm not going in there, but it looks pretty cool. So you got some of the costumes over here. Again, this is the grand opening. That doesn't do anything. Oh, more killer clowns from outer space. And Chucky. So this is the first time I'm actually doing this with my phone. Hopefully the quality is pretty good. They do have a lot of Beetlejuice masks. Some Rick and Morty stuff here. Oh wow, look, that's a sign lit up. That is so cool. The Halloween Factory. I don't think they have a lot of things set up yet. But this is the grand opening so far. There you go. Amber can dress up as an angel. Oh wow. Some teeth. There are some similarities from this one and the one that we went to in Winter Haven, Florida. Not a lot. Oh, they have a wind-up doll. Wow, that's pretty cool. Oh, they do have Scarecrow mask. That is so cool. Voodoo. Okay, so they have some posters on this back side of it. Sitting Scarecrow? Where is this at? Wacky Mole Clown? They don't have none of these set up yet. Oh, they're pretty cool. They got like plush. As much as I hate clowns, they have a whole bunch of clowns. Wow. I already know Amber's gonna love this stuff. Then you can dress up as a ninja. Hiya. That's pretty cool. That little Jack, the little Joker. Minecraft stuff over here. Yeah, a ton of Fortnite. My niece and nephew, or Amber and I's niece and nephew, they really love Fortnite. I don't get it. Makeup and attire for The Nightmare Before Christmas. Wow, look at that dress. That dress is pretty cool. And then there's more girl costumes over here. Harry Potter. Then you come over here to Hocus Pocus. More Hocus Pocus stuff over here. They have Nightmare Before Christmas. A Ouija board. They don't have a lot to choose from here. But these are pretty cool. Oh wow, that's cool. That's really cool. I like that. I can honestly say I've never seen Nightmare Before Christmas. They have more masks over here. They have wigs and stuff like that over here. This used to be an old Sears. Oh my god, they got little helmets. That's cool. And hats, and I'm still thinking of getting that mullet. I think it'd be kind of fun. That's cool. All these are different accessories that you can buy for your costume. But they don't have a lot of the animatronic scare stuff out yet. But it is pretty cool. Your outdoor decoration stuff here. And then right here you have the Michael Myers, Nightmare on Elm Street, and other classic scary stuff. Oh, I didn't even see this over here when we walked through. These are cool. Look at all this Beetlejuice stuff. As you know, Beetlejuice is going to be at HHN this year. That's going to be exciting. Coming back over here to the front, you have a lot of the pumpkin stuff, which I'm sure Amber's going to want to love to see. I didn't see a lot of t-shirts. Oh, here they are. They have the t-shirts over here. I still can't get that thing to work. But they have the 11's Battle Kit, Coraline, 11. Wow, ton of stuff over here. That's cool. And they have the dress that Amber's looking for. That's pretty cool. And then finally, the Pennywise stuff and Sam from Trick or Treat. It's pretty cool. And over here, the same thing. So I'm walking around just looking for stuff for Amber, and I found something that I didn't see before. They even have a power pack, photon pack. That's pretty cool. Also walking around, they even have Cruella de Vil stuff. That's pretty cool. I know when I'm by myself I say it's pretty cool a lot. We have more Hocus Pocus costumes too. There's a lot of things I missed when I was walking through. Mia Mia on the wall. That's cool. Alright, I think I'm going to check out for now. They do have a pretty nice adult size portion for Disney products. Well, that's it. So if you made this far, thank you guys for checking this out. Again, this is at the Willowbrook Mall over here in Houston, Texas. If you are new here, please subscribe, hit the bell notification, like and comment down below. And we look forward to seeing you guys later on. And we wish you a very happy Halloween.